For centuries, the pathways of trade have dictated the rise and fall of empires. From ancient caravan routes to modern shipping lanes, the ability to move goods efficiently has always been paramount. Now, a new vision is emerging, a bold declaration across 3 continents. An audacious proposal to weave together a vast network of rail, sea, and data links, promising to fundamentally rewrite the very map of global commerce. This is not merely an infrastructure project. It is a strategic realignment, a geopolitical gambit on an unprecedented scale. The India-Middle East-Europe Economic Corridor. A vision to connect East and West like never before. Conceived amidst global economic shifts, the India-Middle East-Europe Economic Corridor, or IMEC, represents a direct challenge to established trade paradigms. Unveiled at the G20 summit in New Delhi, this initiative proposes a colossal infrastructure investment, projected to be in the hundreds of billions of dollars. It's designed to be more than just a transportation artery, it's an economic lifeline, a conduit for digital data, and a statement of geopolitical intent. A collaboration between key global players, IMEC seeks to forge deeper economic integration, enhancing connectivity from the bustling markets of India to the technological hubs of Europe. The IMEC project is divided into 2 primary corridors, each vital to its overall success. The first, the Eastern Corridor, will link India to the Arabian Gulf. This segment involves upgrading existing port infrastructure in India and building new or enhancing existing deep-water ports across the UAE and Saudi Arabia. From there, goods will embark on a transformative journey by rail. The second, the Northern Corridor, will connect the Arabian Gulf to Europe, utilizing extensive rail networks through Saudi Arabia, Jordan, and Israel, leading to maritime links in the Mediterranean, ultimately reaching European ports. This multimodal approach is its defining characteristic. The engineering challenges are immense, demanding ingenuity and vast resources. Consider the desert railways of Saudi Arabia. Building and maintaining high-speed rail lines across vast, shifting sands requires specialized track laying techniques, robust dust storm mitigation, and advanced thermal management systems. Then, there's the need for new or expanded port facilities, capable of handling megaships and rapid cargo transfer. These are not merely upgrades, they are foundational shifts in infrastructure, pushing the boundaries of what is possible. It's a testament to human ambition, attempting to tame some of the world's harshest environments for the sake of connectivity. Beyond physical goods, IMEC envisions a powerful digital spine. The plan includes laying subsea cables for high-speed data transmission, paralleling the trade routes. This digital infrastructure is crucial, forming the backbone for everything from smart logistics and tracking to financial transactions and cultural exchange. Imagine real-time data flow, seamlessly connecting markets and minds across continents. This dual approach, physical and digital, is designed to create a comprehensive economic ecosystem, where information moves as swiftly and reliably as cargo. It is the nervous system of this new global artery. IMEC's logistical promise is profound. Current shipping routes from India to Europe via the Suez Canal are long and susceptible to bottlenecks and geopolitical disruptions. IMEC aims to dramatically reduce transit times and costs. By integrating sea and rail, goods can bypass congested waterways, offering a more predictable and potentially faster journey. This efficiency is not just about speed, it's about reliability. It means fresh produce reaching distant markets faster, manufacturing components arriving on schedule, and supply chains becoming more resilient to global shocks. It's an optimized flow, designed for the demands of the 21st century. The economic benefits of reduced transit times are staggering. Estimates suggest IMEC could cut the travel time for goods between India and Europe by up to 40%. This translates directly into lower inventory costs, fresher goods, and a significant competitive advantage for businesses utilizing the corridor. The projected cost savings for shipping are equally compelling, making IMEC an attractive alternative for many industries. For consumers, this could mean more affordable goods and a wider variety of imports. This isn't just about moving cargo, it's about accelerating economic activity and opening new market opportunities.
But IMEC is far more than an economic endeavor, it's a masterstroke on the global geopolitical chessboard.
It is widely perceived as a direct counter-narrative to China's expansive Belt and Road Initiative, or BRI. While BRI has spread Chinese influence through infrastructure across Asia and Africa, IMEC offers an alternative, led by democratic nations and allied powers. This project strengthens the economic ties between India, the Middle East, and Europe, creating a new axis of influence.
It's a strategic alliance, leveraging economic power to secure political objectives and balance global power dynamics. The contrast with China's BRI is stark. BRI often involves substantial debt for recipient nations, raising concerns about sovereignty and economic leverage.
IMEC, by contrast, is being framed as a partnership amongst equals, emphasizing shared prosperity and transparent governance. While BRI has faced criticism for lack of environmental and social safeguards, IMEC aims to set higher standards. This isn't merely a competition for trade routes, it's a contest of models for global development.
One emphasizes centralized control, the other, multilateral cooperation and shared economic benefits.
The world watches which pathway will truly gain momentum. Beyond the macro-geopolitical implications, IMEC promises profound regional integration. The rail links across the Middle East, connecting countries like Saudi Arabia, UAE, Jordan, and Israel, could foster unprecedented economic cooperation in a historically fragmented region. This infrastructure could become a catalyst for peace and stability, creating shared economic stakes that transcend political divides. Imagine enhanced cross-border trade, shared energy projects, and a more interconnected Middle East, directly benefiting from increased investment and job creation.
It's a vision that transforms transit nations into economic hubs. IMEC's impact extends to global energy security.
The corridor can facilitate the more efficient distribution of energy resources, including oil, gas, and potentially green hydrogen, from the Middle East to Europe and India. As Europe seeks to diversify its energy sources, IMEC offers a new, robust pathway. Furthermore, the project itself could spur investment in renewable energy along its route, powering its operations sustainably. This dual benefit, diversifying energy supplies and promoting green initiatives, underscores IMEC's strategic importance in a world grappling with climate change and energy independence.
The success of IMEC hinges on the committed participation of its diverse members.
India, as a rapidly growing economic powerhouse, anchors the eastern end. Saudi Arabia and the UAE serve as critical transit and investment hubs in the Middle East, with their ambitious diversification agendas. Europe, represented by the European Union, aims to bolster its economic ties and secure new trade advantages. The United States provides strategic backing and diplomatic support, viewing IMEC as a crucial component of its broader Indo-Pacific strategy. This coalition of nations, each with significant stakes, underpins the corridor's potential. The financial commitment required for IMEC is colossal, running into the hundreds of billions. Funding will likely come from a combination of public and private investment. Participating nations are expected to contribute significantly, alongside development banks, sovereign wealth funds, and private sector partners eager to capitalize on the project's long-term returns. The scale demands innovative financing models and robust risk-sharing agreements. Securing this fast capital, while navigating complex international financial landscapes, will be one of the most immediate and significant hurdles. It's an investment in a future, but a future that demands a significant down payment. Despite its grand vision, IMEC faces formidable challenges. Political instability in some parts of the Middle East could disrupt construction or operations. The sheer coordination required among numerous sovereign nations, each with its own interests and bureaucratic processes, is immense. Environmental concerns, such as the impact of desert railways and increased port activity, must be meticulously addressed. Public acceptance and land acquisition across vast territories will also be complex. These are not minor obstacles, they are foundational issues that could derail the entire ambitious undertaking if not handled with exceptional foresight and diplomacy. The security of the corridor is paramount. Protecting thousands of kilometers of railway, numerous ports, and vital digital infrastructure from potential threats, both physical and cyber, will require robust security protocols and international cooperation. This includes guarding against piracy in maritime segments, sabotage of rail lines, and cyber attacks on the digital backbone. The very act of forging deeper regional ties through IMEC could also increase its vulnerability to those who oppose such integration. Therefore, security is not an afterthought, it is an integrated component of its design and long-term viability. A project of IMEC's scale inevitably carries an environmental footprint. Constructing railways across pristine desert ecosystems and expanding ports in sensitive coastal areas demands rigorous environmental impact assessments and mitigation strategies.
The commitment to green infrastructure will be tested.
Integrating renewable energy sources to power the corridor's operations, minimizing water usage, and protecting biodiversity are not just ethical considerations, they are essential for the project's long-term sustainability and international credibility. The world expects a modern megaproject to be a responsible one, setting new benchmarks for ecological stewardship.
While the global implications are vast, the local economic impact along the corridor cannot be overstated.
From the ports of India to the rail hubs of the Middle East and onward to Europe, IMEC promises to be a powerful engine for job creation in construction, logistics, technology, and ancillary services. Local communities will see new opportunities, increased trade, and potentially improved infrastructure. The flow of goods and data will attract businesses, fostering local entrepreneurship and transforming regional economies. It is a catalyst for direct, tangible improvements in the lives of millions.
If successful, IMEC has the potential to usher in a new era of global trade and cooperation.
It could fundamentally alter existing supply chains, shifting economic gravity and strengthening the bonds between three dynamic continents. This corridor could become a model for future multilateral infrastructure projects, demonstrating how shared vision and collective will can overcome immense challenges. The stakes are extraordinarily high, not just in terms of financial investment, but in shaping the geopolitical landscape for decades to come. This is more than a project, it is a profound declaration of intent.
The journey for IMEC has only just begun.
From the drawing boards of engineers to the negotiation tables of diplomats, every step will be scrutinized.
The ambition is undeniable, the potential transformative. Will this $500 billion megaproject truly connect two continents, reshape global trade, and usher in an era of unprecedented prosperity and stability?
The answer lies in the unwavering commitment of its participants, their ability to navigate complex challenges, and their shared belief in a future forged through connectivity. The world watches, holding its breath, as this vision of a new global artery takes shape.
The story of tomorrow's trade is being written today.